Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can use the AI image generator when you're working on a design project. So once you're on your template, on the left-hand side, you're going to see this magic wand icon. Go ahead and select that, and the AI image generator will pop up. Under this All Creations is all of your previous AI generated images that you can add to your artboard with just a click. You can also generate new AI images using this Generate Now button. Go ahead and type in your command. You can turn on these advanced settings, which allows you to control the style, the filters, the camera angle, as well as the option to use DALL-E or diffusion. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Generate Images. Now that you have your generated results, you can add your image simply by clicking it. Fantastic! Now I'm going to show you some design tools that can really elevate your design. The first tool I'm going to use is the Eyedropper tool. This helps you find the exact match of a color on your artboard. So we're going to start by clicking this drop down of this paint bucket icon, choosing the color option, and then coming to this Eyedropper tool. Now go ahead and hover your mouse over the portion of your artboard that you want to match the color to, click, and boom, my background has now changed to that color. The second tool I'm going to use is the background remover. I'm going to select my image and then come up to this remove background icon. In seconds, the background is removed, and now I have my floating image. I'm going to make a couple more changes, and then my design is finished. And there you go. Now you can access AI images right from your design page. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other videos to see how Simplified's design tools can help you every step of the way. See you there!